All right, mate. I've never heard of this coin in my life. OOKI. I don't even think it's on my list, so maybe that's a good clue that I need to update my list. I did. I think I probably need to update my list. I'm not sure, but I don't even think I know this. Now, if you remember what tweezer volume is, then this is saying that to tweezer volume, this is tweezer volume right here, and this is a bearish stop hunt right here. So this is saying that tweezer volume should push this price even lower at some point, you know, preferably or potentially on the next candle. There should be at least some more downside on a new day. Okay, that's what this tweezer volume is saying. So it can bounce, but be prepared first. Let it drop more. Let there be a second red day, I would suggest, and then maybe look to get long then. But have patience. Let the tweezer volume push this price lower, and then we can look at it again.